Good morning, students. Now we will start the main topic of the ninth class in the triangle chapter, that is congruency of the triangles. Now the question is, when the two figures or geometrical figures are said to be a congruent figures. So before that, in the previous videos, we have discussed all the basic terms which are being used in this triangle chapter. That is, what is the definition of triangle, now what are the different types of triangle, and the terms which will be using in the triangle chapter, that is, what is a median, what is a centroid, what is orthocenter, and what is in center, in circle, and all those things we have discussed in the previous videos. I just request you to just see this video, just note down all those definitions in your class of copies. Now we'll come to this particular topic, that is congruent figures. The two geometrical figures having exactly the same shape and the size is known as congruent figures. ठीक, बड़ा ही सिंपल है. अगर आपके पास दो फिगर्स है जिसका साइज और शेप, देखिए ध्यान से इसको सुनिए, जिसका शेप एंड द साइज इफ दे आर एग्जैक्टली सेम, देन वी से इट्स ए congruent figures. Now here I have drawn two line segments AB and CD. So these two line segments are congruent because they have the same length. When they have the same length, then we can say this is a congruent figure, and the sign which represents the congruency is this one. This is the sign for congruency. Now in this figure and in the figures, if one is being superposed on the other, it covers is exactly. मतलब इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर हम दो ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स लेते हैं, अगर हम उसको एक के ऊपर रखेंगे तो वन विल एग्जैक्टली कवर द अदर. So it will look like exactly it's only a one figure. So for that one, so I have made two triangles. Say this is one triangle, ठीक, and I have made one more triangle of two different colors. Say I'll just mark here. I'll just say this is A, B, and C is one triangle, and the second triangle is say D, E, and F. Clear? So I have made two triangles. If you exactly see these two triangles, they have a same shape and same sizes. Now what is the meaning of superpose? Means if I take one triangle and if I keep it exactly on the another triangle, see, it looks like only one triangle is exactly, it is covering the other triangle. So this is the meaning of superpose. That means and this is only possible if they have a same shape and if they have a same size. Clear? So this is then we say the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Clear? So this is the definition of congruent figures or a congruent triangles. Now if these two triangles are congruent, that means now then we have angle A. This angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Clear? And angle C is equal to angle F, and also AB is equal to DE. BC, this side, is equal to EF, and CA is equal to FD. So if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles and the corresponding sides are equal. Okay, I'll just mark here. Okay, so this angle I'll show you again. So if this angle is equal to this angle angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and side AB is equal to DE, and BC is equal to EF, and CA is equal to DF. So this is this condition satisfied if these two triangles are congruent. Now I'll take one more example. This is example 1. Now I'll take another example. Now this point, generally maximum students they get confused. Now suppose say if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEDF. Now I have taken in that case. If suppose if it is given in the question that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDF. So in that case, so corresponding sides. So generally the children get confused. So they think that these two both are equal. No, they are not equal. So if this it satisfied, if it is given in this form, that means so we have इसमें हमारा क्या आएगा जो ये corresponding है, that means angle A will be equal to angle E, the first one. Angle B will be equal to angle D, and angle C will be equal to angle F, and the sides also you have to take in the same way. So first is AB, so here it will be, so that means the side AB will be equal to ED. Then BC comes, next one, this one, BC comes, then BC will be equal to DF, and then CA, next one, CA will be equal to FE. Clear? So we'll take in the we'll see the figure. So angle A, if these two triangles are congruent, then then angle A will be equal to angle E, angle B will be equal to angle D, and angle C will be equal to angle F, and AB will be equal to ED, BC will be equal to DF, this one, and CA will be equal to EF. So there is a lot of difference between these two. The children, they get confused. So you have to understand this one. Now, clear? Now I think you have understood the meaning of congruent figures. Again, I will repeat. The two geometrical figures are having exactly the same shape and the same side, then we say these two geometrical figures are congruent. I have given you the example of a two line segments of same length. They are congruent, and I have explained you by taking the two triangles, by taking two different examples. In first case, I have taken a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. In that case, what are the conditions it satisfies? ये वाले मैंने लिख दिया. And in the second case, I have taken triangle ABC is congruent to EDF. In that case also, what is the condition satisfied? This one. So you have to understand this. Please note down this one in your class of copy. Clear? Thank you.